Hello, today I would like to show you how to load your easy logic algorithms to Galileosky tracking devices remotely. First of all, you need to upload your algorithm to the remote configuration server correctly. Run the configurator, open the All Devices tab and enter your login and password. Now switch to the Easy Logic tab and open your algorithm. Press Save button. By default, the configurator allows you to save your algorithm on your local computer, but you need to choose the Remote Server page. On this page, you can save your algorithm to the route folder of your file storage. You can also create the specific folder for your algorithms and save the algorithm there. Once the algorithm is saved to the server, you can load this algorithm to any device you need remotely using commands or remote configuration service tools. Let's start with remote configuration service tools. Find the necessary device or several devices in the list and select them with the check. At the top of the window, press the Upload Algorithm button. In the opened window, find your algorithm and press the Upload button. The server will automatically start uploading this algorithm to the chosen device or devices. You can also use commands for uploading your algorithms to remote devices. It can be helpful in case you want to send the command from your platform, or if you want to share your algorithm with someone, but don't want to provide access to the source file of the algorithm. Again, find the necessary device or devices in the list and select them with the check. At the top of the screen, press the Run Commands button. In the Enter Commands field, type the command script, space, your remote configuration login, / folder name in which the algorithm is saved, / the name of the algorithm. Please note that you don't need to use the file extension .gss, only the actual name of the algorithm. In case you have saved the algorithm in a root folder on the server, the command is simpler. Script, space, your remote configuration login / the name of the algorithm. Now you can press the Send button and the device will start uploading the algorithm. As I've said before, the device must be online to start loading your algorithm, but you can send commands to both online and offline devices. Online devices will start loading the logic right after receiving the command. For those devices that are currently offline, your command will be saved in a queue and will be delivered to the device as soon as it gets online. Please check our full tutorial for the remote configuration service to learn more about its useful features. The link is available in the description to this video. Have a nice day.